Welcome to Puerto Rico. If you heard of Puerto Rico, you definitely heard of the clearest water. I got invited to Icacos tour, sponsored by SailGetaway. I don't know what to tell you, but I literally felt like I was in another planet. From the clearest water to delicious food to snorkeling with beautiful fish, it was just like unbelievable and a lot more. Without further ado, let's jump into the water. SailGetaway picked me up from the hostel that I was staying at, Nomada Beach Hostel. I will leave the link down below because that hostel is a must to stay at in San Juan. I have all the information. It was very affordable, super nice, so many varieties of rooms. I will leave the link down there. And I also made a whole nother video about the top beaches that you need to visit in Puerto Rico. Check that out as well. The bus ride was approximately like an hour from where they picked me up. It was to Fajardo, where you will get your boat from. Once we got there, everybody was so friendly. They gave us all the tools.
Okay.
That's me.
Adam?
Yes.
Adam, I'm gonna need your ID, please.
Sure. All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And your backpack. I highly recommend you put your snorkeling first, then your backpack on top. That way, if we get a splash or two, your backpack doesn't get any wet. Right? Now, spray sunblock. It is not boat friendly. Why? Because if it gets in the deck, it gets extremely slippery, guys. So by any chance you won't spray sunblock, we recommend you put it on your hand first, then rub it into your body. That way you save a lot more sunblock and it doesn't get in the deck. Oh, guys, as well, we got two sun pads on the front of the boat. So those two sun pads, you're not allowed to be there while the captain is navigating. Once the captain turns off the engine, you're more than welcome to sit down, take a nap, work on your sand, or even take your Instagram pictures, all right? Now, before we start, you're more than welcome, guys, to start the boarding process so the captain can give you some more safety instructions, so you're welcome on board, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. And then we got ready to go. I don't have to tell you how beautiful the weather was that day. It was super sunny, the water was so clear, and the scene itself, like you can tell from the footage, it was just unbelievable.
I'm a ghost, fly on the wall, you hit me up, I'll be hot in the halls. Feeling scrumptious, cherry on top, and get that quick fix before the music stops.
Also, the tour provides unlimited drinks between alcohol or just juice or whatever you want to drink. It was unlimited the whole trip. So that was a plus, especially because it was hot. As I said, you just make friends everywhere you go. Everybody on the boat was super friendly. We start talking to each other. There was a whole big group on the boat that they were friends since high school. It was such a great reunion. Our first stop was for snorkeling. The water was super nice for, I would say, 30 minutes or so until the lunch was ready. And then head to the Icacos beach, which it wasn't that far from where we were snorkeling. I cannot forget mentioning the staff on the boat. Oh my god, they were super friendly and willing to do anything for us to make us have the most amazing time on the boat. So shout out to the staff. Thank you so much for that. The boat gave us 2 hours to enjoy the island, swim, take more pictures and videos. Then we had a quick break, fruit break. It was so delicious. Like, thinking about it right now and watching the footage again, it just made me like I want to go back. Then it was time to head back. In general, it was a great, fun tour.
Again, guys, thank you for coming. Keep enjoying the island. Be safe. God bless you all, okay? Thank you, guys.
Well, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just tried to share with you my experience with SailGetaway. I really enjoyed it a lot. And put it in mind, I will leave their link down below. Check it out. Also, I made some other excursions and some other tours in Puerto Rico. I would also leave the links down below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if that would be something that you would be interested to do when you visit Puerto Rico. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Assalamu alaikum.